9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Happy New Year, friends. Once again, welcome back to this video and this channel. If you are new to Power of Mindset Tools channel, my name is Deriv and I do videos related to forex trading or financial markets trading entirely. In this video, I'm going to show you how to trade accumulator options on Deriv using Deriv Bot. Yes, accumulators options are now available on Deriv Bot, and all you have to do is to go to app.deriv.com, app.deriv.com, and once you reach there, you are on Traders Hub, as you can see. Head over to Deriv Bot. Okay, instead of going to Deriv Trader, you can go to Deriv Bot directly. Click on Open, and once you click on Open, it is going to open Deriv Bot. Okay, give it a few minutes. All right, and all you have to do is to go to Bot Builder. Okay, however, remember to first log in, because like for me, I'm logged in. Okay, so go to the Bot Builder. So once you click there, you're going to see this interface. Okay, and all you have to do is to choose or set up the parameters. Trade parameters, you leave it to derived, because accumulators is also part of the derived indices. You also leave it to continuous indices, but you have to select or change the trading asset. So you click there, and this will show up. Okay, choose any of your choice. You can even scroll down and up, right? And let me go with volatility 100 1S, the commonly traded. So let me choose that one. Trade type, you have to change it because it is accumulators. Click on the drop down arrow and you select accumulators. Then the rest will set up itself, like the buy. Then the contract type is also a buy. Okay, the default candle interval, you leave it like that. Then you scroll down, you choose the growth rate, because you remember that the accumulators work on the growth rate from 1% to 5%. The higher the percentage, that means the barriers will be tiny or shorter, that means you'll be easily kicked out, and vice versa. The lower the growth rate, the bigger the bands, but it also goes slowly, or it grows slowly. So all you have to do is to select any growth rate of your choice. Me, I prefer 1, 2, 3. Okay, for better profitability. Then you choose how much you want to stake, and that one can vary. Let me choose probably like $100, depending on your trading capital. And you also have to choose the take profit. So from here, you can choose take profit of $20. After that, you click on OK. Remember, we are doing this on mobile, and I'll also do a different video on a PC or laptop. And you can see, once you are done, basically you can see the part you are supposed to fill is this one, the trade options. Okay, and the other one of choosing accumulators here and choosing the asset you want to trade. The rest you leave it to default. Okay, so we are doing this on mobile, and once you are done selecting all this, you click on run bot. Okay, which is here. Okay, click on run bot, and it will immediately buy the contract. Okay, so from here you can see how everything is going. Are you in profit? Are you in losses? Okay, you can even choose to sell, okay, by violating what the bot is doing. For example, you can see the first one is gone, the first trade is gone, and it was a win. The second one was a loss. Okay, and if you want to follow the transactions, you can click here on transactions. You can see I have had 2 losses so far now, and I have won once. Okay, you can see. And by the way, let me tell you that for you to make or to be profitable with accumulators, for this case, like if I have set the take profit as $20, yet I'm staking $100, I have to have 5 wins, okay, over 5 wins than 1 loss, because if I make 1 loss, that's $100. If I make 5 wins, that's $100. That's what I'm trying to mean. So I have to make more wins than losses, and already here you are going to be seeing if you're in negative or in profits. Okay, negative, I mean losses. Okay, so the bot is still running. I have to do nothing. It is automated. Okay, let me see. Give it time. Depending on the market, it will recover. So I've lost 3, I've won 6, rather 7 so far now. And you can be seeing the transactions here. Okay, you can scroll through, you can see the losses and you can see the wins. And you can even see the journal, okay, of your trades. Bought, for example, after the entry spot tick, your stake will grow continuously, blah 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 blah, like that. You can see. So get back to transactions. You can see, and if you see you are making a lot of losses, you can even stop the bot. Okay, so once you stop the bot, all you have to do, you can get back and change the asset. Okay, so you have seen that I have clicked on the drop down arrow, so you can come here, okay, and change the asset, for example, to volatility 10. Okay, and change the growth rate once again to 3%, and again click on run bot, and it will continue. The other thing I didn't show you, which I will show you in the next video, is how to choose the best asset to trade. Okay, because here I just chose any asset at random for the tutorial, rather to show you how it works, how to use the Deriv Bot. Another thing, you must be having good internet connection. Okay, so I can close, okay, because I have had a lot of losses, like 7 losses, right? And 11 wins, so that's something unfair. So that's trading, all right? And if you want to give it time, you can practice it on demo and you can see how it works. Sometimes the market is fair, sometimes it is not all that good. Tomorrow I'll be showing you how to analyze so that you avoid or you know when to trade and when not to trade such an asset. Okay, so I think you have known how to use the Deriv Bot to trade accumulators. Until next time, keep winning.